Hello friends, welcome to another episode of It's About Everything. Now in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can fix an LED bulb at home. As you can see, this bulb is a 20-watt LED bulb and it produces about 2000 lumen of intensity of light. And you can see uh, in this bulb there is a problem inside the circuit. It does not work. To show you how you can open an LED bulb and you can reuse all the parts that it has inside, let's open it and see. After opening up the front dome, you can see the SMD LEDs. SMD stands for surface mounted device, and you can see the inner part is completely made of aluminum and the outer casing is plastic. The outer casing works as a heat sink. Now you can see the end is easily removed. That's because the wire inside is not connected, it was damaged, and so I chose the way of just pulling the back cap so that it comes out. To open the front LED cap, the aluminum cap where the LED board is mounted, I used a small file and I gently placed it in between the circuit board so that I can tap open the front aluminum cover. A gentle 2-3 time tap actually opens it up very easily, and you can see inside the circuit is actually different from a CFL. It's actually an LED driver. You can see the connections for the LED and the entire board. This wire, which is connected with the end cap, was separated, and maybe that was the reason why this bulb was not working. So I'm going to solder this wire and give it a try. If it does not work, after that I'm going to open up all the LEDs and use it in some other projects. The main component of this LED bulb is the LEDs itself, and I can also use the other components from the circuit, the bigger components, but the SMD components are too small and maybe I can use it in some other projects as well, but I will open it if it's possible. I lack the equipment to open up SMD, smaller SMD resistance and every other components, which is the capacitors and the resistance which are in the SMD form. After soldering two wires, I give it a quick check to find out whether it works or not. And you can see it works fine. So now I don't have to dismantle it completely. Instead I'm going to reassemble it as it was before. So the main problem in this bulb was the connections, which was not connected properly. The wires were separated, and that's why the bulb was not working properly. So let's assemble it back again. I gave it a quick check in the multimeter to find out whether it's shorted or not. So I used the continuity tester in the multimeter to ensure that it's not shorted inside. After that I will use glue. First I will use a little bit of super glue to fix the B22 holder, and then I will use some epoxy glue to make it permanent so that it doesn't comes off easily. So this is how I fixed this LED bulb. Now if you are in the same situation, you can try to fix your own LED bulb, and if it does not repairs, you can at least reuse the parts. So thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Have a nice day.